The inspiration behind the design was a simple, uniform treatment of light movement that could help fill the volume of space nicely and have a very different graphic language depending on where you are viewing it from. The physical form is directly influenced by the architecture of the building and specifically the spiral staircase in the old chimney stack as tenants enter and leave the building. We used a 30-30 radius extrusion to give the most visibility and light from each of the light strips. Every strip was 2.5 meters long and used a high quality 11 watts and 120 LEDs per meter RGB LED strip. Each strip was controlled via a DMX driver and connected to a wall-mounted interface we could pass on to the building services team to control and change as required. I needed a high output solution as we are competing with daylight from two directions, but also need a good, efficient and reliable product so that with 75 meters of LEDs running, we are as conservative with power usage as possible. Ultra did a fantastic job of replicating my vision. We had a lot of fun mocking up and testing it at their place, signing it off before it all came down to my workshop on the south coast. It's been fantastic to work with them again. They were organised, efficient. Dave and the team totally understood we had a tight time frame to get this completed, and the end results really speak for themselves. So thanks very much to the whole team.